everyone, welcome to day 5 of Nailmas and welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I have this very kind of, I guess you could say abstract like design to share with you. Basically, throughout the holiday season, when we're out and about and I see a cute holiday pattern, I like to take a picture for inspiration for nails on a day when I have no ideas. So this was actually inspired by a gift card that I saw at Starbucks, not Target, but at Starbucks, and then I also went while I had the nails on and took a picture of them together. So I'm showing that here, and apparently words are hard today. So these first few clips are a little bit darker for some odd reason. I don't know what happened with my lighting, but I'm starting with a light pink base, and I'm using Heroine NYC's Sugar Spun, which is a lovely light pink cream. I love their polishes in general. I know I'm going to repeat this in numerous videos this season. I always use their creams for art. So here I'm just using some like a kind of a peachy pink acrylic paint to do my dots. And then I'm going to let that dry and move on to kind of like the evergreen pieces that are in this design. This is a very abstract, up to you design, so you could also like head over to Starbucks and look at their gift cards and kind of interpret it on your own. This was just my interpretation. I always love seeing what designs they do on their holiday packaging because I feel like Starbucks is a company that just does packaging so well. And you know, maybe we'll have a story about that for another day. Anyway, now we're going to move on to a leaf. I'm not really sure what type of leaf this would be in the design. It just was kind of like two different shades of green. So I started with the same evergreen acrylic paint that I used for the like pine branch. And then I added a little bit of a light green and divided the leaf in half and did that lighter green on one side of the leaf to just hopefully give a little definition to the overall look and make it a little bit more like the actual gift card design. So there is that. Then next up, as you can see, I had a little mishap. I started to do like little abstract lines. I didn't like it, so I quickly kind of brushed them off my nail, but it kind of left some of the paint on there, so definitely don't do that and just do 3 dots. So kind of like the berries that we did in a manicure earlier this week. At this point they're all blurring together and I don't know what day is what, but I think today's day 5 at least. And I'm just doing little clusters of 3, or I just did 1 in one corner just to kind of balance out the overall composition of this design. And that's something I like about these sort of designs, is that they don't have to be any particular way. They can be different, and being different actually makes them look perfect and very abstract and no right or wrong type of thing going on. Then I went in with actual black paint. I know black seemed a bit bold with this color palette that's going on here, but it's basically just to contrast all the lighter shades. And I'm just creating like these little plus signs that kind of look like stars, and I'm doing them in different angles so you get different kind of movement throughout the nail, which I really liked. And again, sorry about the lighting on this one. I'm not sure what was up. It was just a very off night apparently, but there is the plus signs, stars added. And then you can put on your choice of top coat after everything is dry. I went with a matte top coat for this design so it would photograph well. And here is the overall final look. At first, I did not love this look, honestly. Like, I was like, this just isn't super Christmassy. But then the next day, I ended up actually going to Starbucks and having a little treat, which was really nice. And I paired it with like the gift card while I was waiting for my drink. And then I really started to like the manicure because it kind of actually looked like the gift card, which I will go ahead and show you on the screen again here. But that is it for day 5. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching all the videos so far this week. We're 5 days in and we're getting closer to Christmas. So that's it. Thank you again for watching, and I will see y'all back here tomorrow. Bye!